Hello everybody, welcome to Born Free on Two Wheels. Today we are going to adjust the chain on the Royal Enfield, the Classic 500, and that we want to do together with you. Me, I'm not so good at this job, so I have my wife to help me because of my arms, you know. And she's very good at it, so let's get to it. And you need those keys here. This one here is 19. You need a long screwdriver, 24 millimeter, and I think this one is a 32 millimeter. Oh yes, that's what you need. Let's do it. Here sitting two versus screws. The one outside you take completely off. The one inside you only let it loosen. There's sitting one down here also. It only has to be loose. You don't take it off. Let's do it. It's my wife's hands we use today. She's very good at this job here and she loves it. What a wife to have, yeah? You can feel it's a little complicated on those old models here, but in real life it is very easy. Then you take the screwdriver here and I push with my shoulders to it. Not like that. Okay, and then the wheel move. Then you push the wheel be behind, and then this one my wife showed you down there. You turn it until it's a click and it is blocked. Now we cannot do it. We cannot turn it here because the chain is in the place. But it's very simple. And then in the other side, here in this side, they have to be in the same number as in the other side. Of course, otherwise the wheel is not straight. As you can see, the chain is okay. This is the last screw she's putting in, and then voila. Then we are finished. Because there's not so much space, then Zakia use the hammer with gommer to tighten this one down there. So, finish, voila. Then we can drive 500 to 600 kilometers again. Okay, guys and girls, I hope you can use this video to something positive when you fumble and rumble with your Enfield and repair it and adjust it. This is the way. Okay, you know, I will be back.
Wait,